Fiang Smith. Hindi kilala si Pops Fernandez. Puro TikTok lang kasi ang alam ni Fiang Smith kaya di niya alam kung sino ang mga veterano sa industriya. Nakakahiya si Smith.
Let's just dance again.
Oh my God, walang katumbas.
Yan.
Yan, di ba?
Oo.
Andito na sila eh. Ayan o, super taas.
Hindi, ganyan lang, ganyan.
Oo, ito
Ayusin mo,
okay.
ayusin mo. I mean, you know what? Oh, just
Memory
remember
alone.
Memory. Did you
He's got
ever
a very
see
short memory.
Tito Martin and Pops? The Pops lang, wala.
You were not even born.
But did you see them together on
Oh.
Do you even know who Pops is?
Oh
Right,
my
there we
God.
go.
Oh my God. That's so
All right.
famous here in the Philippines.
No, you're absolutely
Very
right. She's the concert queen.
She is.
Yes.
And the concert king.
There you
Yes,
go.
exactly.
Good thing we have a telephone.
Querido.
Oh my God.
Oh my
Actually,
God.
yes.
Dapat sinabi na lang niya na hindi niya kilala kesa nagbiro pa siya na sobrang sikat ni Pops pero di naman niya kilala. Sino ba itong Fiang Smith na ito? Bakit ba sumisikat pa ito? Kung sino-sino na lang ang pinapasikat ng ABS-CBN porket nanalo ng PBB akala niya kagaling na niya. Dapat kapag papasok ka sa isang industriya kikilalanin mo kung sino ang mga veterano na need mo makilala. Wala ang ASAP na pinaggestingan mo kung wala si Pops Fernandez dahil isa siya sa nagsimula at nagtaguyod ng ASAP.